This is that little mini DVR I got for the ground station, digital video recorder. It was like 20 bucks. It runs off of a battery. I've just not had the opportunity to share any of its output, really. I showed where it was mounted on the ground station and how I hooked it into whichever side I was receiving on, but let me show you a little bit of the output of this little DVR. So this video recorder is velcroed right to the back of that ground station right there in the upper right, which I've shown before. I don't have to show you a whole lot of this video for you to understand completely that it's just a $20 insurance policy that if this is recording my video and I'm showing GPS location on an airplane and it crashes, whichever recording I can find, the oldest or the newest, I guess it would be, in time, GPS location is most likely going to be the scene of the crash. So it doesn't, you can see here, it doesn't record as well as the monitor shows me, but that's not its purpose. It's not a high dollar digital video recorder. It's a cheap digital video recorder, just as I said, when I have an OSD, an on-screen display, having some kind of catastrophe or mishap of some type, and the recorded video is important to either figuring out what went wrong, how to stop it in the future, or frequently the location of an airplane or a quad, vertical type platform. Okay, so that's all that needs to be shown on this. There's the quality of the little $20 mini DVR.